See, we have to make sure that we all live in peace. That is the first point. अशें गोंयान पयलीं केन्नाच जायना. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंटली आमी गोंयकार म्हणून ते पयलीं चिंतूंक जाय अशें घटना घडोवंक उपकारना. आनी अशें जाता म्हणून खूब वायट दिसता आमकां. म्हापशान तरी हेजे पयलीं केन्ना अशें जावंकूच ना. 34 years of me being, as long as I have been there, 4 years of my tenure, 20 years of my father's tenure, अशें केन्नाच घडोंक ना. अशें घडटा म्हणून म्हाकाय खूब वायट दिसता. Ongoing investigation is there. Whoever has done it, proper procedure will take place and proper justice will be done.
As a local MLA, police instruction.
कितें आता? This is a boundary of Mapsa and Aldana. My jurisdiction ends somewhere there. Actually, Aldana constituency in Patta. Local MLA, I've just, Honorable Chief Minister was in Mapsa. We have spoken to SP and DYSP. Honorable CM has given instruction to them to handle it properly, carefully, without disrupting any peace.
So,
But I strongly believe, my personal opinion is that Shivaji Maharaj was a great warrior. Ami jenna statues galta, we have to make sure that all the procedures, formalities are followed, proper surveillance is there, proper care is taken to ensure that such type of things don't happen. For that, we have to follow a proper protocol and then erect statue, is my opinion. Now, how it is done, when it was done, I have no idea about that. I don't want to comment on that. आता जाला ते जाला. But कितें आसता फुडें जेन्ना अशें करता सारकी फॉर्मेलिटी करून घातले की अशें मागीर घडपाक चान्स कोणाक मेळना. There is proper surveillance, there is proper, he is at a proper height, proper respect is given, proper procedure is followed up. That time it is difficult for somebody to come and do any interference. In आमी म्हापशान येतो व्हडलो घातलेलो आहा ते केन्नाच आयज मेरेन केन्ना काय जावना. तेजे पयलीं ल्हानसो आहलो, आयज केदो व्हडलो घोड्याचेर म्हापशा शिवाजी स्टॅच्यू. It is nothing to do with any some people who don't. I think everybody likes Shivaji Maharaj. Everybody is a fan of what he did and what he stood for. So in terms of कोणाक वायट दिसता बरें दिसता तशें म्हाका दिसना. कोणाचे मनान कितें आसा काय. I would like to eliminate that, to say that in Mapsa at least I have attended Shiva Jayanti and all Shivaji related activities for the last 4 years of my tenure, and prior to that of being a councillor I have also attended. So my only contention is, my request to all जितले लोक पळयतात जेन्ना अशें करता तेन्ना आमी सारके प्रोसिजरान करचे, so that such things don't happen. Let us follow the protocol and give respect to this great warrior king of ours that we all hold in high regard. धर्मा खातीर म्हाका दिसना काय धर्मा खातीर काय अशें जायना. हांवेनूय आत्तां तुमकां एग्जाम्पल दिलेलें आसा. जेन्ना आमी म्हापशान घातलेलो सगळे प्रोसिजर, सगळे फॉर्मेलिटी, सगळे रेझोल्युशन, काउन्सिल रेझोल्युशन, परमिशन सगळ्यांचे धरूनच केल्लेले आसा. So that is the way that it has to be done, is my opinion. Whoever has a different opinion can also suggest their opinion. But in Mapsa we have done it following all the proper procedure and protocol. Then there is nobody to object. There are no objections. कोणाक चान्स आमी दिली. आमी सारके प्रोटोकॉला प्रमाणे हांव काउन्सिलर आसलो तेन्ना आमी रेझोल्युशन घेतलेले. रोटरी क्लब ऑफ म्हापसा और रोटरी क्लबान ते निर्णय घेतलेले की ते शिवाजी स्टॅच्यू बांदतले म्हणून. कोल्हापूरच्यान येदो व्हडलो बांदून तेंच्यांनी म्हापशा हाडून उद्घाटना खातीरूय आमी थंय आसलेले आनी येदो व्हडलो प्रोग्राम करून आमी दिल्लेले आसा. सो इट इज जे घडटा ते म्हाका दिसता प्रोटोकॉला प्रमाणे जर केले जाल्यार कोणाक कांय चान्स गावतना कितें तेजेर ऑब्जेक्शन हाडटा. Don't want to go into all that. Whatever has happened, let the investigation take place and then we'll see what has happened.